Today we'll be discussing the developmental network of 5 main characters from Season 3 of Breaking Bad. By the halfway point of Season 3, Jesse has been hospitalized due to a brutal beating committed by Hank. Hank is also Walter White's brother-in-law as well as Marie's husband. Hank's attack triggers Jesse to press charges against him and ultimately expose Walter as Heisenberg, the notorious methamphetamine manufacturer. Throughout the ordeal, Marie, Hank's wife, supports him as the investigation progresses. The wild-type developmental network represents the relationship between these 5 characters. Marie promotes or activates Hank, who activates Jesse, thus triggering Jesse to repress Walt. Walt answers to Gus, therefore activating him so that he can fulfill his ultimate objective of acquiring wealth. Although, due to Walter's repression, the end phenotype of the wild-type network is A. Lack of wealth. Let's consider a single mutation in this developmental network in which Hank does not brutalize Jesse, therefore he does not activate him. Well, if Hank no longer activates Jesse, then Walter can no longer be repressed, therefore allowing him to activate Gustavo, so the end phenotype of wealth is expressed. Let us consider a double mutation in which Marie is no longer available to activate Hank, and Walter is no longer available to activate Gustavo. Well, if Hank is not activated, then he can no longer activate Jesse to repress Walt, but since Walt is no longer available to activate Gustavo, the end phenotype of acquiring wealth is no longer expressed.